Okay, let us study about force. Force is directly proportional to the work. To understand the way we view the work and define work from the point of view of science, push a pebble lying on a surface. The pebble moves through a distance. You exerted a force on the pebble and the pebble got displaced. It moves. Displaced means moves. In this situation, work is done. Girl pulls a trolley and the trolley moves through the distance. The girl has exerted a force on the trolley and it is displaced. Therefore, work is done. Let us study about the displacement. The necessary condition for work to be done is the displacement. When it is necessary, that time the work is to be done. That is called displacement. It must be caused in the body. We can say that work is directly proportional to the displacement. Okay, we can give one more example. A bullock is pulling a cart. The cart moves. There is a force on the cart and the cart has moved. This is also example of displacement. When it is needed, that time work is to be done, then it is known as displacement. A closer look at the above situation reveals that two conditions need to be satisfied for the work to be done. First one, a force should act on the object. The object must be displaced. First point is a force should act on object and the object must be displaced. See, mathematically, we will observe that work is directly proportional to the force and also work is directly proportional to the displacement. Okay, or we can write work is directly proportional to the force into displacement. Then in place of proportionality, you can take the constant W equal to constant into force into displacement. K is the constant value. The K value is 1. Okay, then we can also say that work is a product of force and displacement caused by the force in its own direction. It is a scalar quantity. Let a constant force F act on an object. Let the F object be placed through a distance S in the direction of the force. Let W be the work done. We define work to be equal to the product of the force and displacement. Work done equal to force and into displacement. Force is denoted by F and displacement is denoted by S. Thus, work done by a force acting on an object is equal to the magnitude of the force multiplied by the distance moved in the direction of the force. Work has the only magnitude but no direction, and work is a scalar quantity, not a vector. If F equal to 1 Newton, S equal to 1 meter, then the work done by the force will be 1 Newton meter. Here, the unit of work is Newton meter or joule. Thus, 1 joule of the amount of work done on an object when force of 1 Newton displaces it by 1 meter long and line of action of force. And here, what would be the work done when the displacement of object is 0? Refer to the condition to be satisfied by the work done. Expression for work done. When anything is pulled, or we can say that it is making an angle with the direction of displacement. Work done equal to force into displacement into cos theta. Okay, this theta will be 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree.